Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful crochet hair band in the combination of purple and beige color. I have created for myself matching to my dress, and this is super duper easy to make, and after learning the method you can create many crochet band of your choice of colors. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here I am taking this crochet hook having 3 mm thickness by Pony brand, one nice thick rubber band, and the purple color crochet yarn. This is cotton 50% and acrylic 50%. You can use 100% cotton or acrylic, any one of your choice. And also I'll use the beige color yarn later. So first of all we have to attach the band with the crochet thread. So just need to pass the needle through the thread and band together and make a single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through the chain like this. Now the remaining thread we have to pass while running the remaining stitches. So we have to hold this bottom thread like this and just simply create total 12 single crochets like this. Very easy. So we have created total 12 stitches here. Very cute. Then we have to make chain 1, rotate your work, and then we'll do the 12 single crochet again inside each chain. So repeating the same process. And this is done. Very pretty. Now for the next step I am making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Then reverse your work. Then we have to skip the first chain here, and I'll do the double crochet inside the next chain. So just yarn over, pass through the next chain, take the thread, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Now again yarn over, and from the previous chain I am doing the double crochet like this. Again skipping the next chain and doing the double crochet in the next one. then doing the double crochet in the previous chain, and in this way we'll create the cross double crochet each time. So just repeating the process till we reach the end stitch. And here all my cross double crochets are done like this. Can you see? Total 5 crosses here. Now on the last chain I am going to make one more double crochet. Like this, then just doing the chain 1, rotating my work, and again remaining 12 chains I am going to do 12 single crochets. Like this. Very pretty pattern is coming. Now doing the chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Reverse your work. Then again repeating the process, skipping the first chain and doing the double crochet on the next chain. Then doing double crochet in the previous chain. Again skipping one chain, doing the double crochet on the next chain, and after that doing the double crochet on the previous chain. So again we are going to create cross double crochets here. So I have reached till the end and it should look like this. Then doing the single double crochet on the last chain. And this is done. Looking very pretty. Then doing chain 1, reversing the work and then making total 12 single crochets. And we have to repeat the process, same process till the desired height. So this is done. Again making chain 3, reversing the work, and I'll do the cross double crochets and I'll do the repetition. So here I have reached to the last stitch, making one single chain, rotating the work, and for the last time I am going to make 12 single crochets. And this is completely done. So I have created this long belt and I have kept 50 centimeter long height to this belt according to the size of my head. So you can increase or decrease the number of stitches according to the required height. Now we have to attach the other side to the band. So again I am making chain 1 and I'll attach the other side also with the rubber band like this. So we have to do single crochets again here by taking the chain and band together and just create the single crochets for 12 times. And this is completely done. Then just making chain 1 and cutting the excess yarn, just tightening the loop, and the work is done. Very pretty and looking very gorgeous, isn't it? So pretty. Now we have to tuck the remaining yarn using needle inside the stitches. So just taking one big needle, this is the yarn needle, and just we have to pass the thread like this. Then cutting the excess thread and similarly doing the same process on other side. And very beautiful finished clean work is ready. Now I have created the border for the more finishing on one side using beige colored yarn. So I am showing you how to do on another side, just taking the yarn and fixing with the rubber band first, and then we just need to do the single crochet on the stitch. Here we don't have to find any chains, we just need to run our stitches till the end. So wherever you see the gaps, on that gap you have to make the single crochet. That's it. So just completing it till the end of the part, and here I have reached towards the end. Again making chain 1, cutting the excess yarn, pulling the yarn, and that is done. Passing the remaining thread through the stitches, cutting it, and the beautiful hair band for the daily use is ready. If you want, you can decorate with some crochet flowers or some beads or pearls to decorate the band, but I want to keep it as it is. So in this way you can make your own hair bands with different colors, and if you want you can keep the width little smaller, so instead of 12 you can make 6 stitches. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.